A parrot had become trapped, hanging from a tree branch by a fishing line. A nearby family noticed it and quickly cut the branch to rescue the bird. The line was tightly wrapped around its neck and wing, so they carefully cut it away little by little until the parrot was free. They brought it home and treated its wounds. At first, the parrot was weak and missing many feathers, but slowly new feathers grew and it began to recover. Under the care of the family's daughter, the parrot formed a deep bond with them. The bird that had once been on the brink of death found a new life filled with safety, mischief, and love.